So making a little video real quick. Yeah, this is my wire. I don't want to talk about it. I ordered it. I think it's 300 feet of different gauges, or it's 100 feet of each gauge for my door speakers, but pretty much this is what we got. We got all three wires ran through the boot. Oops, sorry. I don't know if you can see it real good. Through the boot and through the door. Let me grab my little flashlight. And through the door. And we didn't have to take the door off or anything, just had to do a little cutting. So pretty much I'm going to do the other side and take the rest of it out and run all the wire. So if anybody needs any questions or anything, basically here, I'll give you that real quick. I obviously ran the first wire through with a zip tie, and then obviously once I got it through, tape would have probably worked better than the zip ties once I realized that, but then I taped them. It seemed to work a little better. The zip ties, you can see I had to pull it through like that. I was kind of scared of ripping something like that, but pretty much the tape worked very good. So hope that helps anybody. And then I'll just undo the tape and I can just, fish out, even them out. Y'all have a good day.